Dear friends, let's discuss about a very typical issues in contract farming, that is formal contract is good or the informal contract. Contract means contract means both the party necessary, both the party necessary and connected through legal boundaries. Legal boundaries means it should be formal one. But in spite of that, we found maximum almost 40 to 45 or around 50% of the contract are informal. The question arises, if contract means the formal one, then why informal contract has been going in a high stake in contract farming in agriculture? Some of the points I have to highlight in front of you. One is, many of the farmers, or you can say the tenants, they have no land. They cultivated on the land of others, so they could not do the contract farming. Second, those who have land but its accuracy, or you can say that the ownership or the true ownership is doubtful. Government now connect all the land through blockchain, by which you can know that who is the seller, who is the purchaser, and accordingly company will come forward whether they will connect with the farmers legally or informally. Third one is high transaction cost. As our farmers has been located in a very dispersed area, it is not always be wise to connect with them formally, because higher the transaction cost, it will be added on and increase the price of the business or the product. Fourth one is informal contract is very flexible, and it has been observed those who have better business sense, better connection with the ecosystem, they preferred informal contract farming. And last point, I found that why informal contract farming is so high or is increasing in a larger sense, because once the business sense among the farming community increases due course of the time, they prefer higher price. And you all know that contract farming model is the model of assured price. Contract farming is the model of assured price, not the higher one or higher price. So informal contract has its own benefit, formal contract has its own limitations. So you will find contract farming, or in the contract farming you will see the response of both contract farming in the informally or formally. I just highlight two of the you can say that certificates, which is, you can say that it first or left hand side is the formal one, right hand side is the informal one. And in the field conditions, you will find, in the field condition you find that the contract farming has been communicated in a very you can say that in a very plain paper also. In the plain paper you will also find that that is a transaction between contract or in contract, formal or informal. But formal means it should be code stamped, 100 rupees stamped. Every specification has been highlighted properly, in which quality, which place, which time period, and which price you have to take the product from the farming communities, that need to be specified. That should not be any vernacular language. It should be properly communicated to the producers. Then it is called as the formal contract. In the informal contract, you will find the communication practices in any manner that cannot be legalized in any type of the disputes. But of course, informal contract farming is better or flexible over the formal contract farming, and formal contract farming has some limitations. So you'll find both the cases, both the cases in the field conditions. Hopefully today's video is very capsulated and useful for all of you. Thank you.